Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today we'll be talking about petite size secrets that will change your life. That being said, if you're not a petite size, keep scrolling. This video is not for you. Those who don't understand what a petite size means is any lady who is not tall, who is short and a little bit smaller in frame size is considered petite. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Are Zoreta, aka Zora Styling. My channel is all about hairstyles, fashion, lifestyle, and all what will make you look fabulous. And that being said, I recently did this hairstyle. It's called mermaid braids. If you haven't checked out the tutorial on how I did this, make sure you check it out and turn on that notification so you don't want to miss out on my upcoming videos. The very first point I'm going to talk about is wearing tailored clothes. I mean fitting clothes to your frame, to your body structure, to your silhouette, name it. Wear clothes that are designed to fit your proportion appropriately, hence enhancing your natural silhouette. It doesn't only make you to appear taller, but also it makes you to appear a little bit sophisticated and classier and gives you that overall elegant vibe. A tailored wardrobe is the foundation of an enhanced sophisticated petite style, so it's a must for you to get tailored clothing. The second point I'm going to talk about is minimal layering. I know we are at the heart of winter where it's difficult to avoid putting on so much clothing in order to get warm, so I'll highly recommend that you invest in pieces where the material keeps you really pretty warm, where you don't have to wear a lot of clothes to feel warm. With a petite size, you have to always avoid oversized dresses because it's going to make you to appear shorter and thicker, and you're not going to have that good proportion of how you look like overall. This third point has been a game changer for me since I realized that wearing high-waisted jeans makes me appear taller and gives me this really good fitting. I've never departed from that, so I highly also recommend that you invest in high-waisted jeans, especially with fitted tops. You can also throw on a fitting blazer as well on it if you want to give it an extra edge. Then secondly, under the same points, I highly recommend that if you want to wear skirts, go for a little bit above your ankle, like a three-quarter form. And also if you go a little bit above your knee, it elongates your leg and make you to appear a little bit taller. So that's the trick. The fourth point I must say are monochromatic outfits. You can see me wearing this here as well and on others as well. It gives you this degree of sophistication and class and elegance, and it speaks highly of some degree of confidence as well, which is very, very important for us petite girls, because when we appear confident, it gives a 10/10 appearance, look, and everything. Monochromatic outfits never fail to exude some high degree of elegance as well, and it improves your aura. If you walk into a room and you're dressed in a monochromatic way, oh my goodness, you're going to draw a lot of attention towards you, and people start speaking very, very highly of you because they feel like you have some high quality, or you have your value changes automatically on how you look in that manner. That being said, I urge you to invest in colors like beige, um, navy blue, neutrals like white, black also is a must. These colors are everything, especially when you're dressed up like for an evening dinner or something. It gives you this upper hand of looking refined and polished. This list cannot be completed if I don't talk about shoes, because shoes are a great statement piece when it comes to fashion. It's a great statement piece when it comes to elevating your look and enhancing the overall appearance. So for my petite size girls, women, ladies out there, I highly recommend stilettos, that's pointed toe shoes. Like you can see me dressed here in this outfit. I went in for these elongated shoes, and it makes you to appear taller and also makes your legs look elongated, therefore making you to appear taller as well. So invest in pointed toe shoes. Even when it comes to sandals, avoid those chunky square headed kind of shoes, because it does make you to appear a little bit shorter than you usually are. So make sure you avoid that, and it's going to contribute to enhancing your overall look. If you love the list so far, make sure you give me a thumbs up, smash that like button. Since as we're presently experiencing winter, I highly recommend, if you're going in for boots, to go for the knee or thigh boots. It also helps in enhancing or elongating your legs as well. Ankle boots are not really the go-to because you appear a little bit shorter, but also depending on how you style it and how you can play with it. But to be on the safe side, go for a knee boots or thigh length boots. Yeah, that I recommend. For accessories, keep it minimalistic as well. Less is more, because if you wear a lot of jewelry, it's going to overweigh your look, and it's not going to make you to appear very elegant as well. As you can see me dressed here, I'm wearing this plain black outfit. I'm already wearing a wristwatch and also a bangle right here, so I avoided wearing a chain, and I kept my earring pretty simple, and it gives it a more edgy and classic look. Another item of accessory you should consider avoiding are the very big handbags. Our frame are already so small, petite, I would say. So if you're wearing big oversized bags, it's just going to be like that be competing with your outfit, and it's going to kind of overshadow you. I don't want that, so invest more in little structured bags or purses or clutches. You can go in for very big bags depending on how well styled your outfit for that day is. If you're wearing very fitted clothes, then you could go into that direction. But if on that day you're wearing something flowy or oversized, make sure that you avoid. Those are the tips that are going to elevate your petite style or wardrobe and boost your confidence. Thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.